Hello everyone, I hope you are well today. Today I'm making a quick video because somebody asked me if I could make a video about how to use the BEKO oven. So I'm going to include the model number in the title and I will just quickly show you what's going on. On the right you've got this knob with temperature, so in here you choose at what temperature you want to cook or grill. So it goes from 0 all the way to 250 degrees Celsius. And on the left you got the options. So you've got 0, you've got light only in the oven, fan only in the oven. This is cooking in the oven with fan on, not grilling, just if you want temperature about the same in the area of the oven. This is grill without the fan and grill with fan. And 0 is obviously when you switch everything off. So I'm grilling some chicken at the moment with fan on at around 250 degrees. Okay, so basically this is how you do it, and when you finish you just turn everything up to 0 and the temperature up here.